How to buy stuff on Shein with Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can buy stuff on Shein app using Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have the Shein app and you also have Cash App, you have some cash balance, instead of wasting the money you want to shop using your Cash App balance. Now to get started, let's say I just open the Shein application here and then I add the products that I want to buy to my cart section. Once I add them to my cart section, I'm just going to select the products that I want to check out here, and then I'm going to tap the checkout button. As I tap the checkout button, after entering my details or all the confirmation, right at the bottom you'll find this option called payment method. So under payment method you have your PayPal, you have credit or debit card, or you have buy now pay later or Venmo. And now if you want to use Cash App, you can see right here you'll also find this option known as Cash App. Now sometimes keep in mind that the Cash App may not be available for all products. If the seller has allowed it, of course you can receive from Cash App. If the seller has not allowed it, then you will not be able to do so. That's simply it. So you can just select Cash App option over here, and now all you have to do is you'll be taken to Cash App to complete your payment. So tap and continue to payment. Make sure you have the Cash App installed on a device. Once you make sure that you have Cash App installed on a device, you'll be able to go ahead and authorize the transaction. Once you authorize the transaction will be successfully made. This way you can buy stuff on Shein using Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.